Good morning, student. We were reading chapter 6, Food We Eat. All of you know people living in different parts of India have different food habits. In India, people in north like more rotis and parathas that are made of wheat. Then the South Indian people prefer to eat more rice. Okay, and in coastal area people prefer to eat lot of fish. Now we will read the food which is eaten in South India. You have read what the food is eaten in North India, in West India and East India. Now you will know about the food we eat in South India. We can say in South India people use spices and coconuts. In South India people uses spices and coconuts. In Tamil Nadu tamarind is used a lot. What is tamarind? It's imli. इमली खाते हो ना? वहाँ के लोग खट्टी चीज़ ज़्यादा खाते हैं. The food of Andhra Pradesh like Hyderabadi biryani has chilies and nuts. Their famous food is Hyderabadi biryani, which is made of rice, chilies and nuts. In Kerala, delicious dishes like lamb stew, a gravy-based dish. It's a non-veg dish which is made up of lamb stew. Okay, and their other dish is appam, which are eaten there. In Kerala, lamb stew and appam are eaten. A dessert called puttu is made from rice and bamboo shoots. Okay, the dessert मतलब जो उनका मीठा भोजन है which you eat after your diet, that is puttu. पुट्टू नाम है उसका और वो किससे बनता है? राइस और बैम्बो शूट से. और उसमें वो मीठा होता है, उसको कवर किया जाता है कोकोनट से और उससे. ठीक है. Idlis, dosas, vadas along with sambar and coconut chutney are popular South Indian dishes. All of you know South Indian dishes. What are they? Idlis, dosa, vadas with sambar and coconut chutney. These are famous of South India. Okay. So in South, Hyderabad biryani, and in Kerala lamb stew and appam, and the dessert is puttu. And in South India the famous dish is idlis, dosa and vada. All of you also eat. It's not necessary that only they eat in South India. All of us enjoy dishes. Okay, now we will read food on special occasion. In India, a variety of special food is prepared on festivals. You can see when you have festival, you eat variety of food, and the special foods are made on that special festival. All of you know on Sankranti, dishes are made out of new rice, new pulses, oil seeds, jaggery, extra. What is jaggery? जैगरी मतलब जानते हो? गुड़. संक्रांति में नया चावल आता है, खेतों से नया चावल उग के आता है. दैट्स वाई उस समय क्या बनाया जाता है डिश? न्यू चावल से और नई दालों से और नए ऑयल सीड से खिचड़ी बनाते हैं ना संक्रांति में. तो दैट डिश इज़ फेमस. ऑन संक्रांति वी प्रिपेयर खिचड़ी and we eat gur. Okay, Pongal is also celebrated around the same time. साउथ में कौन सा फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है? पोंगल. Special dish is prepared during Pongal by boiling rice with fresh milk and jaggery in new clay pot. मतलब वहाँ के लोग क्ले पॉट मतलब मिट्टी के बर्तन में वहाँ के लोग नए चावल को उबालते हैं फ्रेश मिल्क के साथ और गुड़ मीठा गुड़ के साथ बनाते हैं. ओके. लोरी प्रसाद compromises 5 main items: तिल, गज्जक, गुड़, मूंगफली and popcorn. You can see Lodi is also celebrated in the month of January. Okay, it's celebrated on 13th January, and the prasad which you get is of 5 main items. What are they? Til, gajak, gud, moongfali and popcorn. All of you have enjoyed this Lodi celebration. Next, til, gajak, wheat flour, laddu, पीले चावल extra mark the celebration of Baisakhi. On Baisakhi, what food is prepared? What dishes are prepared? Til, gajak, wheat flour, laddu, पीले चावल एक्स्ट्रा ये सब बनाए जाते हैं. ओके. ऑन बैसाखी these items are prepared. Ram Navami is celebrated with cool drinks and pachadi of cucumber and soaked pulses. राम नवमी में क्या बनाया जाता है? With cool drinks. On that days it's hot, it's summer vacation, so cool drinks are prepared and पचादी ऑफ कुकम्बर एंड सोप पल्सेस मतलब दालों को भिगो के और कुकम्बर खीरे का प्रसाद बनाया जाता है. ओके. मिल्क पुडिंग, बटर एंड कर्ड प्रिपरेशंस मार्क द फेस्टिवल ऑफ जन्माष्टमी. जन्माष्टमी में क्या होता है? It's a birthday of